In this video, I will show you how to snap layout Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to make sure is that snap layout is enabled on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. To do this, from your desktop, come down to your toolbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and then click to go into your settings. Once you've got your settings opened up, what you want to do is come across this menu on the left-hand side and click onto System. Now, in the System section, you want to scroll down until you see an option for multitasking. You can see that's just here, and then give that a click. In the multitasking window, you're going to see at the top the option to snap windows. So you want to make sure this is turned on first of all. Now, what you can do is click this small arrow here, and there's some additional options available. So you can go through and choose the ones that are most preferable for you. But basically, once you've got that turned on, all you need to do is come up to any window, and if you hover over the icon to make a window full screen, you're going to see the snap feature come up. So what this basically does is it snaps windows next to each other, or you can have it in fulls or whichever template you want to choose from here. So for example, if I go for the first template here, what it's going to do is put two windows side to side. As you can see, I've got my screen recording software, OBS, on the right hand side and my settings on the left hand side. What you can do is then move the windows around just like normal, and if you move this to the top, you can also change the snapping feature just like so as well. So you can choose to put this wherever you want, just like this. And then, of course, all you would do to turn this off is just basically resize your windows to normal, just like so, and drag it away from the snap feature from the edge of the screen, and that's going to disable it from snapping onto your layout. So that is how to snap layout Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.